This is the entrance to 603A Waterscape. It's completely furnished. It is 1,272 square feet. 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Gulf front. You can hear the ocean in the background. Stainless steel appliances. Glass tile behind the stove and along the splash in the kitchen splashboard. You have a washer and dryer unit. You just look into the dining area, into the living room. They have a built-in bunk right off the entrance here. Dressed it up very nicely. Again, we have your dining area. Come over here to your living room. Walk out here so you can see the beach. A beautiful oceanfront view. Fan around, you can see the bay on the other side. See if I can zoom in for you. There we go. Okay, we're going to go back. Here's your patio. Big patio. Give you that. Go back inside the living room area. View of your dining from a different angle and into your kitchen. And over here to the right, the right when you walk in, to the left going back to the front door is your half bath. Oops, you saw me, sorry about that. And then again, there's your bunk room. Okay, over here to the left is your master. Has its own entrance to the balcony with beautiful views. Oops, sorry. My camera got unfocused for a little bit. Uh-oh. There we go. Sorry about that. And here you've got another beautiful view from the master. Give you a different view. You have double vanities and tile flooring in the master. Big garden tub. And a very large separate shower. A different view of the vanity. And going back out into the master. Okay, across the hall is the guest bedroom. It has its own full bath as well. It has a door that opens up to the Gulf. Balcony view. There we go. With the sun in the background, it gets a little dark on me. Okay. And show you the guest bath. A full separate garden tub. Another large walk-in. We have the single vanity in the guest bath. Tile flooring in here as well. Okay, come back out into the guest bedroom. Span into the living room. Let me catch up a little bit, sorry. And then we're going to take one last look at the beautiful beach. We hope you have enjoyed the video tour of 603A Waterscape. Beautiful view of the Gulf. Thank you and have a wonderful day.